Hello everyone, welcome back in our YouTube channel again. So today we are going to discuss about the color coding of the registers. So we know that resistance of a register varies according to the variation with the temperature. So for the practical use or for the laboratory use, we can't use the registers, okay, like without like of any substance. So in place of that, we are using alloy. Okay, so we are using alloy. You can say what alloy we are using. We can use nichrome, okay, and manganese and constantan. So these we are using for making the registers. But as we know, like making of these registers can be costly also. Okay, and that too, it is not so easy. So what we are using the carbon registers. The carbon registers we are using in place of these kind of alloy. So carbon registers also very small in size. They are very small in size. Even we can't mention the resistance even on it. Okay, so to mention the resistance, we need place na. Like if we want to mention any quantity like 0 to 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 100 ohm, 2000 for 400 ohm, for that all we need a space. So if we don't have a space, then what we can do? We can represent them with the colors also, okay, so that we can get it. Now as we know, like we have MKS system unit, like international system unit, which is we are using for all over the world. The same unit, the length of the unit of the length is meter, unit of mass is kilogram, unit of volume is like that is a different thing. Okay, so that you know. Now, here what we are using? We are using color coding. Means if we'll make the colors, so there is a meaning of that color. As you can see, we can assume it as a register, and in that register there are different kind of colors. Okay, so similarly we are having resistance also, which are having different kind of colors. So for that we have the coaxial color band. We are calling it coaxial color band. It is in the form of rings. Okay, in any substance you can see this. Like any electronic component you need to break, and in that you will get a small resistance. So for which we need a table first of all. Okay, in this table we'll make first for color. So the first and second number we'll mention directly. Next, we'll take multiplier. Okay. Next, we'll take tolerance. Okay. Tolerance means the tolerance of that substance, means how it can be. So now we are forming the table. The table you can learn with a very short trick, which is B.B. Roy, Great Britain has very good wife. So just first alphabet. B, B, Roy. We'll take R of the Roy. Of Great Britain, you just take B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. Now we'll mention the color names over here. B means black. Next, B means brown. Black is always first, right? R, red. O, orange. Y, yellow. G, green. P, blue. V, violet. Again G, gray, and W means white. Okay, so B.B. Roy, Great Britain has very good wife. Okay, so this is the color coding. And now we'll take from 0 all this. From 0 only we'll start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the number. Now, multiplier will start from 10 to the power. 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, tolerance will also varies according to the colors. Means tolerance of the gold will be 5%. Tolerance of the silver will be 10%. And if there is not any color, then it will be 20%, you know. So likewise, we can calculate the values of the resistor, means how much ohm the resistance is having. So now as we have this example, so we'll calculate like according to this. What one is the first color? First color is of brown, right? So in front of brown, what is there? 1. Actually, I make this roughly. Sorry for that, but you will get the concept. 1. Second one is yellow. Where is yellow? Yellow one is 4. Okay. Now multiply. Like the 2 digits we'll mention as it is. Need not to do anything. Okay. Now multiplier will be red. Red means third one, 10 to the power 2. You'll say this is very bad writing, right? 10 to the power 2. Okay. Now what we'll do? Just tolerance, as you can see the plus minus symbol, we'll write it as it is. So the next one is gold, right? So plus minus 5%. So how we'll write it? We'll write it as 14 into 10 to the power 2 ohm plus minus 5%. This is the answer. Okay. Likewise, we can get the color coding of the register and we can get the value of the register, whatever we have, by seeing only the color. And that too, learning this is not very difficult. Just you need to learn. B.B. Roy, Great Britain has very good wife. Okay. So we need to start from 0. And here also we need to start from 10 to the power 0, 5 and 10 and 20. These are the tolerance, gold, silver and no color. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.